This is Nokia X10, and today we're going to demonstrate how you can find your mobile phone number on this device. So it's a very easy thing to do. First step is to launch settings, then scroll the page all the way down and enter the very last category you'll see, which is About Phone. After that, at the very top, you'll be able to find the SIM card that is saved into you'll be able to find the phone number that is saved into the SIM card's memory, if it is any, of course. The same goes if you expand the SIM status section. It will be displayed right over here among other useful SIM card specs. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.